Hello, we're heading to the Paraiso Cave. It is a cave that it has a lake inside the cave. So now, upon arriving, we are having a pictorial first in the Paraiso Cave. What a nice look! Oh, it is a Philippine eagle, and it has flowers. And then we're going down to entering into the small hall. Maliit na butas dyan ka dadaan. Kailangan kang yumuko para makapasok ka. Yeah, and then we're going down. Friendly siya kasi may ano siya. Mayroon siyang stairway going down and also our railings. Hawak ka sa railings para it is better to be precautions, 'di ba? Hindi man siya di man siya madulas pero kasi first time ka sa lugar, kailangan kang mag-ingat. Yan. And then now we are arriving at lake inside and sarap maligo dyan. Then pagbaba namin, nilapag namin mga gamit namin and ligo ka agad. Yan. Hindi siya mainit kasi nasa loob siya ng kuweba. First time I ever swimming in inside the cave. It is my first time. Yan na sila. Naliligo na kaming lahat. And take a look. Oh, that is inside the cave. May mga lights siya kasi siya madilim. In-improve nila for their visitors. Yan, may mga lights sa loob.